Hey guys, have you ever done an audio test, hearing test, and think that you're like pretty much gonna need hearing aids? That's me just now. We have to do audiogram once a year, and I just had mine done, and I'm so tired. This just showed me how tired I am. Like I literally sat in the little thing, the little room or whatever they have us in, and I fell asleep. I literally fell asleep while doing the test, and I dozed off a few times, and I'm like, when I wake up, I'm like, oh my god, like now they're gonna tell me that I need that I need hearing aids. But no, when I got done, the guy was like, oh, you're good to go. There hasn't been any changes or anything, same as the last time. So I'm like, okay. Yeah, but I literally sat in there because like it's like it hypnotizes you, because the wall that you're staring at, right? And normally it's usually like 4 of us, I think, in there, but because of COVID it was just me. So you're in this little cubicle, this little space by yourself. The walls that you're staring at, or that you can't stare at, is like, it has like little dots. So I was just staring at the wall, trying to like stay awake. And then of course, okay, I'm like, okay, let me close my eyes to focus on the beeping sounds. I fell asleep. Oh my god, I dozed off like more than one time. But I'm good to go. So I will not need any hearing aids or anything. And my hearing is the same as the last time. I'm not sure how they score or grade it on or whatever they do. But I know I fell asleep a few times. I mean, it's sad to say, but yeah, I just couldn't help it. I closed my eyes and I was trying to focus on the beat, because they change the air it comes out of, and the sound is like fainted sometimes. But I fell asleep. I literally just fell asleep just now more than one time. Oh my god. At one time I woke up and there was like no sound. And I'm like, am I just not hearing anything? Is my hearing that bad? And then it started again. I'm like, okay. And then, yeah, that was it. He said I was good to go. So next year again, hopefully I'll be wide awake. And but whatever it is, my score is the same, pretty much the same. He said my ears are good, hearing is fine, good to go. All right guys, thank you for watching. This is just like, I don't even know why I did this video right now. I guess because I fell asleep while doing my hearing test. But it's just like a quick update. Didn't have anything planned for today, just, you know, work and then hearing test, and then that was my only appointment for today. But like my middle child, the daycare just called me saying that he's going through his phase. Like this is like the 2nd day this week. He's going through a phase right now where he's not listening to them. He's crying, he doesn't want to share the toys, he's just being very whiny. And I think this happened like 2 days ago, and I talked to him about it. I told him to apologize to his teachers and all that, and he did. And for him to apologize to the lady in the office too, because, you know, they're the ones that had to call me and whatever. So I just tried to talk to him, and he was not talking to me. He was just like bawling. And when I asked him, do you want to go home? And he said yes. That's the only word I got from him, yes. I'm like, if you just told me yes, you could tell me what's going on, because I don't know what's going on. But I do know that he has his dad isn't here. His dad is deployed. So I do know that he has some times when he goes through different phases where he seems, I don't want to say withdrawn, but he's like not himself. And the last time, which was months ago when this happened, I think maybe the first time, then he started asking about his dad, and, you know, when is he coming back and all that kind of stuff. So I think it might be that I I couldn't talk to him much on the phone because he was just not talking to me. He wasn't answering. So I'm gonna have to go get him. Yeah, I am gonna have to go pick him up from daycare. And what I did the last time was picked him up. We had a little chat in the car, and I was like, you know, trying to get him to express himself in his own words. I'm like, what's going on? You know, why are you being like this? And then, you know, little by little, he was like, he wasn't talking to me much at that time, but like little by little, he was like, Mommy, Daddy's taking too long, or, you know, when is he coming back? And I know just over the weekend, he was just talking to him about his birthday and him coming back soon. And then after that, Caden was telling me, Daddy's taking too long. So that conversation happened over the weekend. And then Monday at daycare, he was just not listening. So I think that might be the issue. But I'm going to see if I can get off from work and go get him. And just do like a one-on-one. And then, you know, just see what happens. Yeah, so that's it. It's pretty early in the morning. I was just about to go grab lunch and then go back to the office, but now I'm gonna have to see if I can get to go home to go get him. I called someone, but he didn't pick up. In regards to me going home, I'm gonna probably try texting and see. I mean, the military, my command is pretty, I'm still new to them, but like in general, they're pretty okay with stuff like this, you know, stuff going on with the kids and appointments or whatever. So yeah, that's my day so far. Again, thank you guys for watching. And this is supposed to be a quick video, but I do talk a lot sometimes, and I was thinking my video is going to be maybe like 5 minutes. I'm already almost at 8 minutes. But yeah, I love chatting off sometimes. But anyway, guys, thank you for watching. I do hope you find my video informative, helpful in any way. I don't know, maybe, hopefully. But thank you guys for watching. And if you do like what I'm putting out, please do not hesitate to hit the like button and subscribe. I have some goals that I'm trying to meet each month with this channel. I do not have a lot of time on my hands, so you know, my videos are going to come in slowly. Yeah, but that's that. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching, and catch you guys next time. Bye, guys.